2 WhatsApp accounts, 1 mobile device, no routing, no tweaking, nothing whatsoever. How did they get that to work? What's up everyone? Welcome to another RecarroJames video. So since I don't do the side chick thing, I'm gonna mess this up for every guy out there. Ladies, here's how he's getting those nasty messages through WhatsApp and you won't see them.
She said, boom, boom, selfie. Me say, Lord Jesus, help me.
You won't need a third-party application. You won't need to tweak your device in any way. You don't need to root or do anything out of the ordinary for this to work. So yo, true story. All I was in search of is a better way of managing my Facebook Messenger app. I just thought that it was too intrusive. It would just sit there and just constantly run in the background and just drain my battery. And if I didn't have it installed when somebody sends me a message, then I would have to run to the PC to see what shit they're sending me. So to solve this problem, I said, all right, let me install Facebook Messenger on the guest profile, and boom, that worked. So you might be saying, yo, yeah, my youth, so all this tie in with WhatsApp. Simple. You have 2 numbers, one for your personal stuff and the other for the side hustle. You can have them set up on a single device where one number is used by your primary user profile while the other runs on your guest profile. And to access the messages, you just simply switch between user profiles without signing in or out of any account. Let's get down to how this actually works. So you're going to first go to settings on your mobile device, then you're going to search for users, and under users you're going to look for guest. Activate the guest user profile. Now by tapping onto guest, it will bring you into a whole different setup, and from here you can sign into the Play Store. But a quick tip, for me, I would advise that you use a different Gmail address for your guest user profile. Now after you've done this, you're going to download WhatsApp to the guest profile and input the other number that you want to use for WhatsApp. Another quick side note, I'm using a dual SIM smartphone. If you are too and you're not receiving the WhatsApp confirmation code, all you need to do is to switch from the guest user profile to the primary user profile. The WhatsApp confirmation code will pop up. Record this number, switch back to the guest user profile, input the number into WhatsApp, and then that will finalize the process. So there you have it. The WhatsApp confirmation code has been retrieved and it has now been accepted by WhatsApp. You can now switch between user profiles and you're good to go to view all messages. So ladies, the next time he's so laid back with you using his smartphone and you're like, oh my God, he's so honest, our relationship is so open, just swipe down, click on that guest account and you'll be rather surprised at what you see. So guys, thank you for tuning in to another RecarroJames video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share with other persons who would love the the fun side of this video, who would love information as well, make sure you share it with them. Of course, if you have any input as how we could tweak or how we could, add to this fix or tweak or whatever you want to call it, let me know. Leave a comment below, and of course, remember to subscribe. Once again, thank you for tuning in to another RecarroJames video. Bless up.